Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, we discussed about the logarithmic differentiation and related problems we discussed. Now in exercise 5.5, already up to question number 11 completed. Coming to 12th one, the given equation is y power x equal to x power y. Here the equation contains both side equal is there. The equation contains x and y both variables. Again, don't assume let y is equal to. A few questions completely x is given, we can take function of x is y, but here x and y both are involved in this equation. We can apply log on both sides here, no problem. Reason, log of a to the power of b, here also log of a to the power of b form. So we can apply directly log, applying log on both sides, that is log y to the power of x equal to log x to the power of y. This power will come front, x into log y equal to y into log x. Now both side product of two functions, uv formula can apply. That's why we can differentiate with respect to x. U into v form, x into log y derivative 1 by y, again y derivative dy by dx, plus v log y into u dash, x derivative is 1, equal to, here also uv formula, y into log x derivative 1 by x, again x derivative 1, plus log x into y derivative is dy by dx. Now here what is the denominator y? Now x by y into dy by dx plus log y equal to y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Now we can take LCM here. What is the LCM value? Now later also we can take first dy by dx terms, all term take left side, remaining terms send to right side. Now here x by y dy by dx, this plus value becomes minus log x into dy by dx equal to, next term, what is the positive value already, y by x, send this log by that side, minus log y. Now here what is the common value, dy by dx is common, remaining x by y minus log x. Here LCM take, what will get, y minus x log y divided by x. Now in left side also take LCM, then we can send right side. What is the LCM? Y is the LCM, y minus, sorry, x minus y log x divided by y equal to y minus x log y divided by x. Now by sending these two values right side, it will be reverse reciprocal. That's why dy by dx equal to, this y value comes to numerator, y into y minus x log y divided by x, this value comes to denominator. Denominator means what we will get, x minus y log x. This is the value of dy by dx. Next, question number 13. Here also same model. What is the given? Cos x whole power y equal to cos y whole power x. Same, applying log on both sides, applying log on both sides. Now while applying log, power will come front, y into log of cos x plus x into log of cos y. Now both are in the form of uv form, u and v, here also u into v form. Okay, for differentiation we need to apply u into v formula. Now y into log of anything, first of all 1 by log, so 1 by x value, that's why 1 by cos x. Inner function of what? Cos x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x plus v log of cos x into u dash. U dash means y derivative dy by dx equal to, right side also same, x into log of cos y derivative is 1 by cos y, Again cos y derivative minus sin y. Again y derivative dy by dx plus v. What is v value? Log of cos y into u dash. X derivative is 1. Now we need to simplify this step. Now here y plus into minus is minus y sin x by cos x tan x plus log of cos x into dy by dx is equal to, again here plus into minus is minus x into sin y by cos y tan y into dy by dx plus last value log of cos y. Now all dy by dx terms take one side, other terms take right side. This is the dy by dx term, this is without dy by dx is there, send right side. Now here log of cos x into dy by dx, this minus value becomes plus x tan y into dy by dx. Already what is the remaining term? Cos of, so log of cos y. This minus value becomes plus y tan x. Now in these two terms, what is the common value? Dy by dx. By taking dy by dx is common, what remaining? Log of cos x plus tan y is equal to what remaining? Log of cos y plus y tan x. Now it is a completely product, send that side it will be divisible. So dy by dx equal to, finally the value is log of cos y plus y tan x divided by log of cos x plus x tan y, x is missing here, x tan y, x also write down. So log cos x plus x tan y is the remaining value of dy by dx. So next question, important for 3 marks. The given equation is xy equal to e power x minus y. Directly we can differentiate, otherwise we can apply log on both sides, not required here, because e power derivative e power already we know, then power we need to differentiate. It's considered as equation number 1. Differentiating with respect to x. Your product of two values, that's why you can use uv formula. X into y derivative dy by dx plus y into x derivative 1. E power anything first, e power derivative is e power. Again that power derivative, power is what? X minus y, x derivative 1 minus y derivative dy by dx. Sometimes we'll ask 2 marks also, 2 or 3 marks. Now here x dy by dx plus y equal to get simplified value, e power x minus y nothing but what? Xy. So in the place of this I am writing x into y to 1 minus dy by dx since from first equation. Now here x dy by dx plus y equal to xy multiply inside xy minus xy dy by dx. All dy by dx terms one side, remaining terms send other side. Now x dy by dx, this minus value becomes plus xy into dy by dx. Already what, which term is there right side? Xy. This plus y becomes minus y. In this dy by dx is common. What remaining? X plus xy. Now here xy minus y. So product, divide that side. Dy by dx equal to xy minus y by x plus xy. Still we can simplify, means take y common here. X minus 1 into y divides by 1 plus y into take x common. Now this is the simplified value of dy by dx. So next question, find the derivative of the function by, question number 15, find the derivative of the function f of x equal to 1 plus x, 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x power 8, and hence find f dash of 1. Find f dash of 1. Here product of 4 values is there. Take the given function f of x equal to 1 plus x, they are asking f dash of 1 only, okay, no problem, into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4 to 1 plus x power 8. Simplification wise, now 4 times you need to do differentiation. Now 4 factors means 4 terms, each one we need to differentiate only once. But when you are differentiating one function, rest of 3 is not differentiable, okay. Now differentiating with respect to x, f of x derivative is f dash of x. For example, if you are differentiating this one, remaining 3 are as it is, derivative of this function d by dx of only 1 plus x, remaining are as it is. So little bit lengthy one will come, simplification purpose. Plus next we need to differentiate second function. Second function derivative means what here? 1 plus x into d by dx of 1 plus x square, remaining are as it is, x power 4, 1 plus x power 8. Next, third one differentiating means first 2 are remain same, 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into d by dx of 1 plus x power 4, remaining 1 plus x power 8. Last, we need to differentiate last term. What is the last term? 1 plus x power 8, remaining not differentiable. So 1 plus d by dx of 1 plus x power 8. Now what is the derivative of 1 plus x is clearly 1, because 1 derivative 0, x derivative 1. So only 1 will come, remaining 1 plus x square, 1 plus x power 4, 1 plus x power 8. Next, 1 plus x square derivative 2x into 1 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x power 8. Next, 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 derivative 0, x power 4 derivative is 4x cube into 1 plus x power 8. Next last term 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x power 4, 1 derivative 0, x power 8 derivative, x power n into x power n minus 1. So 8 into x power 8 minus 1 is 7. Now this is f dash of x we got. From this we need to find f dash of 1. That's why put x equal to 1 in this, wherever is there x value. So f dash of 1 equal to, directly I am writing 1 plus 1, 2. Here also 1 square, 1 power 4 is 1 only, na? 2. Here also 2. Plus 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into 1, 2. 1 plus 1 again 2. Again 2. Next plus 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 2, 4 into 1, 4 into 2. Plus 2, 2, 2. 8 into 1 power 7 is 8 only. Now this is how much? 8. This is 4 times means 16. Now here 8 4s are 32 plus, this is what? 8 8s are 64. Now we need to add this all values, 16 plus 64, 80, 80, 32 plus 8, 40. 80 plus 40, how much will get? 120 is the value of f dash of 1. Next, you remember one formula, I'll tell you, already UV formula we know. This formula remember, whenever 3 terms is there you can useful. That is d by dx of u into v into w. When 3 function product is there, for that we need to find differentiation means, first u into v into dw by dx. We are differentiating the third function, rest of two are not differentiable. Next, u into w into dv by dx, or you want exact limits order, we'll write like this, what, u dv by dx into w. Only v is differentiable, u and w are not differentiable. Last, du by dx, rest of two are not differentiable. Du by dx into v, w are not differentiable. You can write like this also, u v w whole dash, u into v into w dash plus u v dash into w plus u dash into v w. This is the differentiation of product of three functions. Okay. Now remaining one or two questions are formula only given, not required. I will go to next concept. Next concept is derivatives of functions in parametric form. Logarithmic differentiation completed. Derivatives of functions in parametric form. Now parametric form here, till now we learned all values, the function either in terms of x or in terms of y. When both x and y variables expressed in the form of another symbol, that symbol we called as parameter, it's always non-zero value. Now in this, when these two functions x and y are given in the form of another variable, how to find from that dy by dx, okay. Now in this, let x equal to some f of t, comma y equal to g of t, or two functions in terms of a parameter small t. They can give in terms of t or theta. Other symbol x and y both are given in terms of different variables, or that variable is what here t, that we called as parameter. How to find from this dy by dx? Now y is a function of t means we need to differentiate y with respect to t. When it is a function of x, we are differentiated every question with respect to x only. But here y in terms of what is the t, first of all we need to differentiate y with respect to t. X also is a function of t, that means x we need to differentiate with respect to t. That means what is the main concept of this one is, when the function is given in which variable, we need to differentiate with corresponding that variable only. For example, y is given in terms of theta, we need to differentiate y with respect to theta only. Now from this are two functions in terms of parameter t, or this called parametric equations also, are called parametric functions. Now from this, how to find dy by dx? We need dy by dx. For that, take x value. What is x value? F of t. Y value g of t. First we need to differentiate this x with respect to t. Reason x in terms of t. Derivative of x is not 1 here. When derivative of x becomes 1, derivating x with respect to x, then derivative becomes 1. But here derivative of x with respect to t means d by dt. But with respect to x means d by dx of x. Then dx cancel, get 1 actually. But here derivative of x is not 1. When you are differentiating with another symbol, the derivative of x is not 1. So dx by dt equal to f of x derivative here, f of x or f of t. Here f of t derivative is what? F dash of t. Here t derivative becomes 1 because here t is a variable. Now derivative with respect to t, that's why t derivative will becomes 1 here. Next, here also we need to differentiate with respect to t. y derivative is dy by dt. G of t derivative is g dash of t, where t derivative is 1. From this we need to find dy by dx. How to find dy by dx means dy by dt by dx by dt. These two terms ratio gives dy by, because dt cancel, dt cancel, get which value? Dy by dx. Already we know dy by dt value. What? G dash of t. What is dx by dt? F dash of t. This is the method to find dy by dx when the functions are given in terms of parametric form, where f dash of t clearly not equal to 0. Now this is the method of finding derivative of functions in parametric form. Okay, the same thing, how to differentiate one function with respect to another function. Now we all be done. One function will be there, we will differentiate either with x or with respect to y. Here with respect to only t variable, but we need to find the derivative of one function with respect to another function. How to find the derivative of one function with respect to another function. How to differentiate? Differentiate one function with respect to another function. Okay, I am taking two functions are like this in terms of x. Both are given in terms of function of x only. Let u equal to some f of x, v equal to g of x, are functions of x. We need du by dv. What I am telling, u is one function, v is another function. I need derivative of u with respect to v. Derivative of y with respect to x, how to denote? dy by dx. Derivative of u with respect to v means how to denote? du by dv. This value we need to find. This is the meaning of what? Derivative of u function with respect to v function. Here dy by dx means what? Derivative of y with respect to x variable. Same meaning here, what we have to do here, values du by dv we need to find. To find du by dv, first to differentiate these two. Now both are functions of x now. That's why differentiate with respect to x only first. Du by dx, f of x derivative is f dash of x. Same here also, differentiate with respect to x. What? dv by dx. G of x derivative is g dash of x. Here I need derivative of u with respect to v means du by dv. How to find du by dv? We can take that ratio of du by dv by dv by dx. Du by dx by dv by dx. Du by dx is what? F dash of x by g dash of x. If you want dv by dx, du by dv, here derivative of u with respect to v is du by dv. Now derivative of v with respect to u means dv by du. In this case, what you will do? Ratio between dv by derivative of v by derivative of u. Those two ratios. dv by dx is what? G dash of x. This is f dash of x. Okay, na? This is a method of finding derivative of one function with respect to another function. You observe in these two, derivatives are completely reciprocal in first order derivative. Okay, na? That means what here? dy by dx is always reciprocal of dx by dy. In this first order derivative, dy by dx is reverse of dx by dy. Both are reciprocal to each other. Du by dy is reverse of dv by du. Anywhere you can check. Okay, na? This is a parametric form differentiation, and this is derivative of one function with respect to another function. Okay, now we will discuss examples. From this, they will ask 2 marks or 3 marks guarantee. Any one question guarantee from this concept. Find dy by dx comma x equal to a cos theta y equal to a sin theta. X and y both are given in the parameter theta. Okay, no? Now first take x value. X is equal to what? A cos theta, y equal to a sin theta. When the x and y both given in terms of theta means theta is a parameter, we need to differentiate with respect to theta only. Here theta derivative is 1, not x derivative 1. Okay. Now first differentiating with respect to theta. X derivative is dx by d theta. A into cos theta derivative minus, like cos x formula only. Cos derivative minus, and that's why total minus a sin theta. Again theta derivative 1. Reason we are differentiating with respect to theta. Next, with respect to theta only. Y derivative with respect to theta is dy by d theta. A into sin theta derivative cos theta. Which value we need to find? Dy by dx. How to find dy by dx? Dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Because again d theta cancel, you get the same dy by dx. Dy by d theta is what? A cos theta by minus a sin theta. A cancel, plus by minus is minus, cos by sin is cot theta. Next, example 2. It's important for 2 mark. Find dy by dx, comma if x equal to a into t square, y equal to 2a into t. Now here parameter is t. That's why x and y both given in terms of t. So first differentiate this with respect to t. X derivative is dx by dt equal to a into t square is like x square. X square derivative is what? 2x, that is 2t. T derivative 1 here. Okay, na? Total how much value? 2at. Next, y value how much is given? 2at. Same here also differentiate with respect to t. Y derivative is dy by dt. 2a into t derivative what? 1. Like kx only. Okay, na? Now 2a into 1 is 2a. From this we need to find dy by dx. How to find dy by dx? Dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Dy by dt what? 2a. Dx by dt is 2at. 2a cancel. What is the answer? 1 by t. Next, question number 3. This is 3 marks important. Find dy by dx, comma if x equal to small a into theta plus sin theta, comma y equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Same here, theta is a parameter. We need to differentiate x and y separately with respect to theta. We'll get dx by d theta, dy by d theta. From that we can find dy by dx. Now, first x value a into theta plus sin theta. Differentiate this with respect to theta. X derivative here with respect to theta is dx by d theta. A into theta derivative 1, sin theta derivative cos theta. Next, y value a into 1 minus cos theta. Here also differentiate with respect to theta. Y derivative dy by d theta equal to a into 1 derivative 0. Cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Minus of minus becomes what? Plus sin theta. Total a into sin theta is a sin theta. This is value of dy by d theta. From this we need to find dy by dx. How to find dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. dy by d theta is a sin theta by dx by d theta is a into 1 plus cos theta. A gets cancelled. Still we need to simplify this. We have sin 2a formula, 2 sin a cos a. Sin a means 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. So we are 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. When 1 plus is there, remember here sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta, directly I am writing 2 sin square theta by 2. Similarly, 1 plus cos theta value is 2 cos square theta by 2. From trigonometric formulas, this formula is useful here. So 1 plus cos means what will get 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cancel, 1 cos value gets cancelled. Now sin by cos is what? Tan theta by 2 is the simplified value. So next question. Question number 4, example 4. This is 2 marks important. Find dy by dx, comma if x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. Here this is not given in parametric form, but we need to convert into parametric form. Now to convert into parametric form, now I will consider what x value is equal to a cos cube theta. If you substitute a cos cube theta, what will you get? A power 2 by 3, cos cube means 3 cancel, cos square theta. Next y I will take a sin cube theta. Here also what will get? A power 2 by 3, a power 2 by 3 total common. Sin cube whole power 2 by 3, 3 cancel, sin square. Cos square plus sin square becomes 1. A power 2 by 3 into 1 is a power 2 by 3. Both sides will get equal. Now this is a correct substitution for this equation, because we need to find dy by d theta in terms of finally x only, but we need to convert this one in terms of parametric form. Okay na? Because this is a parametric concept, this is not given in terms of parametric form. That's why I take an x value is a cos cube theta, y is a sin cube theta. From this, x by a value is cos cube theta, y by a value is sin cube theta, values wise. Okay, reason at last we will use this is 1 and this is 2. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to theta, x derivative is dx by d theta. What is the a? Cos cube derivative is 3 cos square theta, again cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Overall the value of this is minus 3a into cos square theta into sin theta. Next, say differentiating equation 2 with respect to theta, what? Dy by d theta equal to a into sin cube derivative like x cube first, 3 into x power 3 minus 1 2. Again inner function what? Sin theta. Sin theta derivative what? Cos theta. This is 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Now we need to find dy by dx. Dy by dx is what? Dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is what? 3a sin square theta into cos theta by minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. 3a gets cancelled, 1 sin value cancel, 1 cos value cancel, plus by minus is minus, 1 sin and 1 cos is there, sin by cos is tan theta. But what is tan theta? Here by dividing these two terms, what y by a by x by a, from that we can identify, that is tan theta value I'll write inside y by a by x by a. Y by a value what? Sin cube. X by a value cos cube. Sin cube by cos cube is what? Tan cube theta. Here a gets cancelled. What? Which value remaining? Y by x. Here we need only tan theta. That's why here cube is there. If you send this at cubed root, that's why y by x. Cubed root means we need to write like this. Cubed root of y by x is equal to tan theta. Now that value substitute here. Finally, minus cubed root of y by x is the final value. Next, coming to exercise 5.6. Exercise 5.6. Now here, if x and y are connected parametrically by the equations. Comma, without eliminating the parameter find dy by dx. First question, x value 2a into t square, y value a into t power 4. Now differentiate with respect to t both values. X derivative is what? Dx by dt. 2a into t square derivative 2t. Now total value is 4at. Next same here also, dy by dt equal to a into t power 4 is like x power n formula. N into x power n minus 1. 4 into x power 4 minus 1 is 3. That is 4a into t cube. From this we need to find dy by dx. How to find dy by dx? dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt value is what? 4a into t cube by dx by dt is 4a into t. 4a cancel, 1 t value cancel, what remaining? T square is the answer. Next, question number 2. X is equal to a cos theta, comma y equal to b cos theta. Now for differentiate both with respect to which symbol? Theta symbol. Now dx by d theta is a into cos derivative minus sin, that is minus a sin theta. Next, dy by d theta also minus b sin theta. From this we need to find dy by dx. How to find dy by dx? dy by d theta by dx by d theta. dy by d theta is what? Minus b sin theta by a sin theta. Sin theta cancel. You will get what is the value? Minus b by a. Now your minus also cancel, you get only b by a. Next, question number 3. X equal to sin t, y equal to cos 2t. Here the parameter is t, that's why differentiating with respect to t. X derivative is dx by dt. Sin t derivative cos t. Next, here also differentiating with respect to t. dy by dt equal to cos derivative minus sin 2t. Again inner function, what is that? 2t. 2t is like 2x. 2t derivative is what we will get? 2. Total minus 2 sin 2t. This is dy by dt value. Here we need dy by dx. How to find? dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt is minus 2 sin 2t by dx by dt is cos t. Still we can simplify this. Minus 2 into sin 2 theta formula or 2a. 2 sin a cos a divided by cos t. Cos t cancel. Answer is minus 4 sin t. Next, question number 4. So one mark important. X is equal to 4t, y equal to 4 by t. This we can write 4 into 1 by t, because derivative of 1 by x already we know formula. That's why I differentiate this with respect to t. X derivative dx by dt. 4 into t derivative 1. That's why total will get 4 only. Next, here also differentiate with respect to t. Y derivative dy by dt. 4 into 1 by t derivative is minus 1 by t square, like 1 by x form. Okay, that is minus 4 by t square is the dy by dt. From this we need to find dy by dx. How to find dy by dt by dx by dt? dy by dt is what? Minus 4 by t square divided by 4. Now 4 cancel. What is the answer? Minus 1 by t square. Next, fifth one. X is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta, comma y equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Here parameter is theta. We need to differentiate x and y with respect to theta only. That's why differentiating with respect to theta. Dx by d theta equal to cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Again here cos derivative minus or minus plus. Sin 2 theta into 2 theta derivative into 2. Next, here also differentiate with respect to theta. Dy by d theta equal to sin theta derivative cos theta, sin 2 theta derivative cos 2 theta, again 2 theta derivative 2, total minus 2 cos 2 theta. From this we can find out dy by dx is dy by d theta by dx by d theta. dy by d theta value what? Cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. If I write positive value, what is the positive value? 2 sin 2 theta. 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. Further simplification is not possible. Leave it like that only. No need to simplify further. Next question. This is 3 marks important. Already we done example 3, same model, like that only. X is equal to a into theta minus sin theta, y equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. We need to find dy by dx. Same, differentiate here with respect to theta. X derivative dx by d theta. A into theta derivative 1 sin theta derivative cos theta. Next, here also differentiate with respect to theta. What? Dy by d theta equal to a into 1 derivative 0 cos theta derivative minus sin theta. From this minus a sin theta value dy by d theta. Here we need to find dy by dx. How to find dy by dx? Dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta value what? Minus a sin theta. Dx by dy value a into 1 minus cos theta. If we done up to this, we will get 2 marks. But further we need to simplify. Because already we given in example sin theta formula 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. And what is 1 minus cos theta value? 2 sine square theta by 2. Here 2 cancel and one sine value cancel. What remaining? Minus cos theta by 2 by sine theta by 2. Now what is the answer? Minus cot theta by 2 is the simplified value. Next, 7th question. Question number 7. X equal to sine cube t by root of cos 2t, comma y equal to cos cube t by root of cos 2t. The value, this is the question is given. From this we need to find the required value dy by dx. Now first you will find separately you will do because it's a little bit lengthy question, this one. Y will take later. This is the question, okay, no problem. Differentiating with respect to t. First dx by dt. Here division of two functions means u by v formula we need to use. What is u by v formula? V u dash minus u v dash by v square. This is u, this is v. U by v form. Okay. Now root of cos 2t into derivative of u, sine cube derivative 3 sine square t, again sine derivative cos t, minus sine cube t into v derivative, root derivative first 1 by 2 root of cos 2t. Again inside root what is there? Cos 2t derivative minus sine 2t. Again 2t derivative minus 2, total minus 2 sine 2t whole divided by v square. V square means root of cos 2t whole square. Here 2 gets cancelled, here square root cancel. Or you can keep like that only, later will useful this one value. No need to simplify. Okay. Now here what is the LCM? Root of cos 2t is the LCM. It will multiply here. Square root will be cancelled. What remaining? 3 sine square t into cos t into root cancel. You will get only cos 2t. Minus into minus plus sine cube t into sine 2t divided by this LCM term comes to denominator. Root of cos 2t whole square, root of cos 2t. Now simplification wise, 3 sine square theta t into cos t into cos 2t plus sine cube t into sine 2t formula is what? 2 sine t cos t. The value wise. Or overall you can keep like that, no problem in the remaining values. Now here what? Root of x square and root x. Total what? Root of cos 2t whole cube will get. Now which term we can take common in this? Sine square t we can take common and one cos t also we can take common. Sine square t into cos t. So a sine square t into cos t is common. What remaining? 3 cos 2t plus sine square common, one more sine into sine. Sine square again, sine square t by root of cos 2t whole cube. This is dx by dt. Keep like that. Next, y value take. What is y? Cos cube t by root of cos 2t. Here also we need to differentiate with respect to x only, value wise. Same with respect to t with respect to x. dy by dt equal to again u by v formula. First v root of cos t into u dash, cos cube derivative 3 cos square t into minus sin t minus cos cube t into v dash, root derivative 1 by 2 root of cos 2t into again cos 2t derivative is minus sine minus 2 sin 2t ma. 2 cancel by v square. V square means same root of cos 2t whole square. Next from this, LCM is what? Root of cos 2t. Root cancel. Now minus 3 cos square t into sin t. Now root will be cancelled by taking LCM. Minus of minus plus cos cube t into sin 2t divided by this value comes to numerator. Denominator what will becomes total? Root of cos 2t whole cube. Already square one term will come, total whole cube terms will be there. In this we can take common anything value, you will see, simplify. Minus 3 cos square t into sin t into cos 2t into cos cube t into sin 2t formula 2 sin t into cos t into root of cos 2t whole cube. From this I can take common cos square t into sin t. Correct? So cos square t is possible, sin t also possible. Remaining values are what? Minus 3 cos 2t plus 2. One cos square is common already. Remaining one more cos and cos square. So 2 cos square t divides by root of cos 2t whole cube. This is value of dy by dt. Now we need to divide now both to find dy by dx. We need to divide dy by dt by dx by dt. For both values, denominator same only na. While dividing, both will be gets cancelled. We'll get only the numerator term. What is the numerator term? Sin square t in dy by dt ma. Dy by dt what? Cos square t into sin t into minus 3 cos 2t plus 2 cos square t divided by dx by dt. Sin square t into cos t. Denominator cancel. I am not writing again that value. Okay. 3 cos 2t plus 2 sin square t. Here one sin value, one cos value cancel. Now which value left in numerator? Cos t. Minus 3 cos 2t. Now cos 2t convert in the form of cos ma. Okay. We have formula cos 2a formula in terms of only cos what? 2 cos square t minus 1 plus 2 cos square t divided by remaining sin t. 3 into cos 2t in terms of only sin you have formula what? 1 minus 2 sin square t, because numerator completely in terms of cos, denominator completely in terms of sin we are converting. Okay. Plus 2 sin square t. Now cos t into multiply inside minus 6 cos square t minus of minus plus 3 plus 2 cos square t divided by sin t into 3 minus 6 sin square t plus 2 sin square t. Now numerator cos t into plus 3 is there, minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4 cos square t divided by here sin t into 3 minus 4 sin square t, because minus 6 sin square plus 2 sin square minus 4 sin square t. Now multiply inside, what will get? 3 cos t, 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t by 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. Actually cos 3 theta formula is 4 cos cube minus 3 cos. It is a minus cos 3t. This is sin 3t only formula. Total minus cot 3t is the answer for simplified value. It's a lengthy question. So next question is very important for 3 marks. Same, it is a parameter t is given. First differentiate x with respect to t. Dx by dt equal to a into cos t derivative minus sin t plus log of derivative is what? 1 by tan t by 2. Again tan derivative secant square t by 2. Again t by 2 derivative 1 by 2. A into minus sin t plus 1 by tan. That means tan means sin by cos. 1 by tan means cos by sin. So cos t by 2 by sin t by 2. Secant square means 1 by cos square t by 2. This 1 by 2 I am writing here pre-multiple. One cos value gets cancelled. A into minus sin t plus 1 by 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. Sin 2a formula. Sin 2 into t by 2. 2 to cancel. Only sin t is the remaining. A into minus sin t plus 1 by this also becomes what? Sin t. Now take LCM. What will get? Minus sin square t plus 1 by sin t. 1 minus sin square, it is clearly cos square. That's why dx by dt is a into cos square t by sin t. Next, already here y is there now inside. Now y value. Now it is a question. In question a is y sin t. Now y is equal to a sin t. This also differentiate with respect to t. What you will get? Dy by dt equal to a into sin t derivative cos t. Now we need to find from this dy by dx. Dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt is a cos t by dx by dt is a cos square t into sin t. Sorry, by a cancel, one cos value cancel. This sin value comes to where? Numerator. Sin theta by cos theta t. Okay na? Sin by cos is tan t is the value of dy by dx. Next. Question number 9. X is equal to a. X value a secant theta, y value b tan theta. Same. So theta is a parameter. Differentiate with respect to theta. Derivative of x, what you will get? Dx by d theta. A into secant x derivative is secant x into tan x. Like theta is a parameter here. Same here also differentiate with respect to theta. Dy by d theta equal to b into tan theta derivative is secant square theta. From this we need to find dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to how to find dy by d theta by dx by d theta. That is equal to b secant square theta by a secant theta into tan theta. Now one secant theta gets cancelled. What remaining? b by a secant theta divided by tan theta. Here b by a secant theta we can write 1 by cos theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta cancel. 1 by sin theta becomes cosecant theta. So 1 by only denominator. So 1 by sin becomes cosecant. This is the value of dy by dx. Now remaining questions we will discuss in next class. And in every class whatever questions will be given, complete on same day only. Otherwise the work will be more pending. Thank you.